Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about renal hamartomas. So what are renal hamartomas? Renal hamartomas are also called as Perlman syndrome, or we can also call them as fetal gigantism. So in renal hamartomas, you will see that there will be fetal overgrowth disorder. It is a fetal overgrowth disorder which is present at birth. Where do you see this fetal overgrowth disorder? It is actually characterized by polyhydramnios. It is characterized by polyhydramnios, that is increased amniotic fluid, and here in these patients you will see presence of increased risk of Wilms tumor. Thank you.